Buju wago shindigu minawa migizi and dodem gazagaskwaji mekag hindunjiba. My name is Anton Treuer. My native name is Wagush, which means fox, and I'm from the Eagle Clan. I come from Leech Lake. I wanted to say congratulations to all of the graduates. I especially think about our Indigenous graduates reaching this milestone achievement and wanted to remind you all that as you spread your wings and go out into the world, to remember not just to nurture those wings, but to remember your roots. We have a rich cultural patrimony as Indigenous people. We are ancient and modern, thousands of years of human history still in the making. As you go out and find your way in the world, remember that we're all dealt a certain hand of cards in life. Some people get better cards, some people get worse cards, but we all get different cards. On the one hand, you need to play your cards the best way that you can. Make the best life for yourself that you can. And at the same time, be mindful that the world is not a fair place. There are barriers out there with regard to race, gender, and all kinds of other dimensions of human identity. And because of that, it's not enough just to play your cards the best way that you can. We also need to change the rules to the game. Try to make the world a better place. In the Ojibwe language, the words we have for our great-grandparent and our great-grandchild are the same word, Indanakobijigun. And when we think, we usually encourage people to think in terms of 7 generations. How will what I do now and in my own lifetime affect the world 7 generations from now when nobody knows my name? And when we think like that, we will be able to align our actions with our goals and our values, and we can actually help make this world a better place. Lean in, come learn more about your language and your culture. There's a whole bright future in front of you. Congratulations on your accomplishments. Miigwech. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, free Ojibwe language resources, resources for teachers, and more. Miigwech.